Too Much Noise by Anne McGovern. A long time ago, there was an old man, and this man lived in an old house. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the wind blew the leaves through the trees, and the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish, and the tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. "Ooh, it's too noisy," said Peter. So Peter went to see the wise man of the village. "What can I do? My house makes too much noise. My bed creaks, my floor squeaks, the wind blows the leaves through the trees, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish, the tea kettle whistles, hiss, hiss." "I can help you," said the wise man. "You should get yourself a cow." "A cow? Well, what good would a cow be?" But Peter got a cow anyhow. The cow said, "Moo, moo." Well, the wind blew the leaves through the trees. The leaves went swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. "Too noisy," said Peter. And the wise man said, "Okay, get yourself a donkey." "A donkey? Well, what good is a donkey?" said Peter. But Peter got a donkey anyhow. The donkey said, "Hee-haw, hee-haw." The cow said, "Moo, moo." The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. "Still too noisy," said Peter. So the wise man said, "Okay, get yourself a sheep." "A sheep? Well, what good is a sheep?" said Peter. But Peter got a sheep anyhow. The sheep said, "Baa, baa." The donkey said, "Hee-haw, hee-haw." The cow said, "Moo, moo." The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. "Too noisy," said Peter. "Okay," said the wise man. "This time get yourself a hen." "A hen? Well, what good is a hen?" said Peter. But Peter got a hen anyhow. The hen said, "Blah." The sheep said, "Baa, baa." The donkey said, "Hee-haw, hee-haw." The cow said, "Moo, moo." The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. "Too noisy," said Peter. So the wise man, "Okay, get yourself a dog and a cat." "Well, what good are a dog and a cat?" said Peter. But Peter got a dog and a cat anyhow. The dog said, "Woof, woof." The cat said, "Meow, meow." The hen said, "Blah." The sheep said, "Bah." The donkey said, "Hee-haw, hee-haw." The cow said, "Moo, moo." The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. Now, Peter was angry. "I told you that my house made too much noise. I told you the bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. You told me to get a cow, and all day the cow goes moo, moo. You told me to get a donkey, and all day the donkey says hee-haw, hee-haw. You told me to get a sheep, and all day the sheep said bah, bah. You told me to get a hen, and all day the hen said, "Bwah, bwah, 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 bwah." You told me to get a dog, and all day the dog said, "Ruff, ruff." You told me to get a cat, and all day the cat says, "Meow, meow." I am going crazy. So the wise man said, "Okay, let all the animals go. Let the cow go, let the donkey go, let the sheep go, let the hen go, let the dog go, let the cat go." So Peter let the cow go, he let the donkey go, he let the hen go, he let the sheep go, he let the dog go, he let the cat go. And now no cow said moo, moo. And now no donkey said hee-haw, hee-haw. And now no sheep said bah, bah. And now no hen said bawk, 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 bawk. And now no dog said woof, woof. And now no cat said meow, meow. The bed creaked. Oh, how quiet my house is. And the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Oh, how quiet my house is. So Peter got into his bed, went to sleep, and he dreamed a very quiet dream. The end.